a tutorial of cutting and assembling the angel topper. So first I have my papers already folded, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out the angel. So I'm going to get rid of all that, cut it out right on the line there, and then I'm going to come around and then when I get in there, I'm going to pull out when I get to an angle and then come in the other direction, so that just falls out. And then just do the same thing around the little wings. Go in, come out, go in, and come out along here. Alright. And then this is the most important part here. You don't want to go in too far. You want to keep it so that, because that's going to hold everything together, this point right here where I'm at. So you don't go further than the line there. So that's ready to go. Got to get up here and get number 2 out. Just turning it with my left hand. My scissors just stays out in front. And I'm going to come in the other direction then. There, right there, and around the head there, and done with that, and then the top part 3. So there's the angel part. It's done, and now I'm going to do the bottom part. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, so the bottom part is just really simple. There's 3 little things you're going to cut along here. And then you're going to get rid of that little 2. And then the 3 will come out. Okay, whoops, falling down. There we go. Go back in here with that. So it just falls out. Alright, there we go. And now the 3 part. I'm just going to cut right there. And there it is. Unfold that. And that's just going to be flat. And this, so there's that piece, and now the little angel. I'm going to unfold her. And once that's done, okay, I'm going to fold everything up, and then it's going to fold down like that. Now I'm going to put these ends into the bottom layer of that. Once it's in, I'm going to just gently unfold it. There. That one's in. Do that the same thing for the other 2. So going to go in with there, pull it through, and just gently unfold it so that we don't tear it. Alright. There we go. And the last one. Going to go in, pull it in here, and gently unfold the angel so that it comes out. And then just kind of fluff it up a little bit, and there we have our 3D little angel. And then that's going to go on our tree if you desire to have an angel on the tree. Right here's the tree, 3D tree, and this angel will fit right here. You see the little arrows there? It goes on that top. So you just insert it, and it should go right down onto your tree. And then just kind of straighten her out, and there you have your tree topper. You can photocopy this or print it at 85% if you want a smaller little angel, but I think it looks just great the way it is. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see my patterns, please go to my Clear Visions Artwork Etsy store, and I have plenty of patterns there available for 3D artwork.